Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you few activities related to lesson number 12, Introduction to Acid and Base. These are few indicators. Litmus blue litmus paper, then red litmus paper, then I have methyl orange, then phenolphthalein. These all indicators are used in laboratory to identify whether the substance is acidic in nature or basic in nature. I have taken solution of citric acid. Citric acid exists in granular form. When these granules are added in water, solution of citric acid is formed. Then I have prepared dilute solution of hydrochloric acid. For this I have added hydrochloric acid to water. Children, you might be knowing that acids are diluted by adding acid to water. Never add water to acid. What will happen if you add water to acid? Enormous amount of heat will be released and it causes explosion. So I have two solutions of acids, citric acid solution and hydrochloric acid solution. This is sodium hydroxide solution. I have taken sodium hydroxide pellets and these are dissolved in water and then I get a sodium hydroxide solution. This is calcium hydroxide solution. For that I have dissolved calcium oxide powder into water. Now let us see what is the effect of litmus paper on these substances. This is blue litmus paper. This blue litmus paper, when I dip into basic solution, it remains as it is. If I dip this solution in sodium hydroxide solution, it remains as it is. No color change is seen here. But when I take red litmus paper, red litmus paper is taken. Now I am going to dip this into calcium hydroxide solution. It has turned blue. See, clearly you can see red litmus has turned blue in calcium hydroxide solution. If I dip this red litmus paper into sodium hydroxide solution, red litmus paper has turned blue. You can clearly see here. Is it right? So, red litmus paper turns blue in basic solution. Clear to you all? Now, blue litmus paper is dipped into citric acid solution. It has turned red. Blue litmus paper I am putting in dilute hydrochloric acid solution and the color has changed. Blue litmus has changed into red color, reddish tinge. So it is clear from this activity that red litmus paper turns blue in basic solution and blue litmus paper turns red in acidic solution. So from litmus paper we can decide which substance exists in acidic form and which substance exists in basic form. Clear?